for recognition of the place where carpets are made, because in every region it is used in its special and unique way. What is the use of a bunch of flowers? Take one paper from my rose garden. Flowers can remain just for 5 or 6 days. But this rose garden remains fresh forever. Arabesque design. This design is curved, like a plant. The arabesque design may be taken from the word eslimi, meaning bud, or maybe it is the shortened form of the adjective Islamic. The branches and leaves of arabesque carpets and Islamic monuments are of the same nature, like the personification of the highest heavens. Shah Abbasi design. The basis for this pattern is a special flower which is known as Shah Abbasi and has become famous since the Safavid period. Scattered pattern or afshan. In all carpet designs, all of the elements and forms are related to each other, but in a scattered manner. The flowers, leaves, and branches have been scattered without any coherence. Miniature and portrait design. The patterns which belong to this group can be divided into religious events and the stories of the Holy Quran, epics, dervishes, kings' stories, miniature, as well as non-Iranian paintings. comparison to earlier handmade carpets, portrait weaving has presently enjoyed much accuracy. Hunting pattern or shikarka. Hunting animals have been used as a symbol of bravery and agility of hunter. The dishes remained from ancient Iran are full of the pictures of animals which come within the short range of the hunters. The carpets which have been woven on the basis of animal hunting are full of beautiful stories and myths from the ancient times. Panel design or qabi. This design is one of the most famous patterns in carpets in which the background of the carpet is decorated with multilateral frames. Sometimes this pattern has different designs. The designs are mostly woven by women and girls and based on their subjective imaginations of what they can see in nature. The patterns are formed on woolen and cotton warps and wefts without any prepared sketches. Historic monuments and Islamic have been the main source of carpet designers' inspiration, signifying spiritual harmony among the artists. Tree and garden design. In cities alongside the deserts, where water is scarce, tree is the symbol of life and an image of its continuation. The tree pattern can be found in a variety of forms, from magnificent heavenly trees, which can be seen in woven carpets in royal workshops, to the simplest types of carpets woven by nomads. The garden pattern denotes an evergreen garden which reminds us of spring. Rose pattern or gulfarang. These patterns, with bunches of rose flowers, which have been adopted from non-Iranian artistic works in the past, are called gulfarang. These patterns are mainly woven in Kurdistan.